How to record voice with Serax Screen Recording. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record your voice or microphone audio while screen recording on your laptop or PC using Serax. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, go ahead and launch your Serax software. And here, once you have opened it, on the left hand side you will see an option called as task settings. So simply click on it, and here inside the task settings window, look for the capture section in the menu and click on screen recorder, and then at the top simply click on screen recording options. Now here in the new window that pops up, you will see an option called audio source. So simply click on the drop down arrow and this will show all available microphones on your device. Now select the microphone that you would like to use to record your voice. This could be a laptop built-in mic or an external one. And once you have selected the correct microphone, you can just close the pop-up window and exit the task settings. And that's it. Now you are all set to record both your screen and your audio at the same time using ShareX. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.